But I cannot do. I'll give you anything you ask. We've known each other for many years, but this is the first time you come to me for counsel, for help. I can't remember the last time you invited me to your house for a cup of coffee, even though my wife is godmother to your only child. But let's be frank here. You never wanted my friendship. You never wanted to be in my debt. I didn't want to get into trouble. I understand. You found paradise in America. You had a good trade. Made a good living. The police protected you. And you had the courts of law. And you didn't need a friend of me. But now you come to me and say, Don Corleone, give me justice. But you don't ask with respect, and you don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. Instead, you come into my house on the day my daughter is to be married, and you ask me to do murder for money. I ask you for justice. That is not justice. Your daughter is still alive.
Then make them suffer then, as she suffers. How much shall I pay you?